The paper cup machine is waiting for the temperature arrival. You should hit the temperature and English. The temperature is on. Waiting the temperature arrival. And the head function. Head function you will have the transfer desk. Transfer desk for this one cup. And here is for the ultrasonic on, early motor on, blower on, and automatic paper feed and oil pump on. Cup fan feed and waiting the set temperature arrival and open the door. And hot air on is machines waiting is on. When machine is ready, the temperature arrived. You see this is the temperature and here is arrived temperature. After the temperature arrival, we can start the machine. We can start the machine and the packing machine together. Okay, we can start soon. Paper cup machine start first. You need to collect the electric. The electric is collected here. Right now, this machine is 240 single phase USA. So right now is fire line and low line. Fire line and low line. Fire line and low line, and you need to collect the electric. And this one is socket and plug is collect the collector. Cup collector, and if you want to collect yours, if your collector is different, you need to use another one. You need to collect yourself. And here is the compressor pipe, and here is the for the ultrasonic, and here is the cup bottom paper. The electric for the cup collector. Electric switch for the cup collector. And the cup collector you need the pipe, also the air compressor pipe. And the cup collector is on, off, turn on and off. And here is manual. And here is the counter. Counter by this one. Counter the cups and then drop and collect the packing machine. And here is the collect the electric, and here is this one for the lift the cup bottom. You drop. You see, this one is drop the cup bottom, and this one is lift. This one lift, drop, lift. This one for the cup bottom. This is controlled by this one, the cylinder, and the air valve and the air filter inside. Air filter valve and the filter inside. And here is the bottom feed. Here is the bottom paper. Bottom paper is come from here. This is the pre-pour the bottom motor, pre-pour the bottom powder. This one is the sensor detect. If there is a low detect the paper short, and here we will pre-pour the bottom paper, and then the paper wipe. Coming and wipe, and then feed to here, and then here. Inside and here, you see this one, and feed the bottom inside, and the bottom punch. This one is the bottom punch inside, very slow. If low bottom punch, auto stop, and this one is the serial motor drive. They has bottom face. And okay, right now I explain the others. And this one is a manual lubrication. Manual lubrication for the top parts, for the top lubrication. Manual, you see, the manual lubrication. So this one, the top parts. Okay. feed the cup to cup blank. Feed the cup blank here. The cup blank is fed on here is space and here automatically here. This sensor detects. There is a sensor detect if there is a short of the cup blank, he will give you alarm and ask you to feed the paper. And here is suck. Okay, I will show you another. After the cup blank feed and then we will turn on the power and start. Of course, you need to check inside. Check inside the. You should fill inside the oil. The oil is 46, number 46 hydraulic oil. Each one 30 liter. You need the 30 liter hydraulic oil. Here's oil inside. Here's oil pump, and here is a cup curling on motor, and here is the barrel tube can, and here is a big barrel tube can. 30 liters hydraulic, 46 degree hydraulic oil inside. Machine need to introduce. Here is the jug standard one, and the sack paper, and the jug reverser, and here is sack paper. Cup blank paper detect, ultrasonic sealing, and ultrasonic. Here is air blow, air helps release. Here is ceramic hot air, under ceramic hot air, and up ceramic hot air, ultrasonic sealing, and the sensor detect. Cup body and fan, cool, and lift the cup mode. Sensor detect. And hot air heating, sensor detect hot air heating. Bottom heating, ceramic hot air, and the bottom feed, and the bottom feed, and the bottom punch, and the bottom sensor. And the bottom heating, ceramic hot air. Bottom heating ceramic hot air, and the bottom edge out conveyor, and the preheating, pre-voltage, bottom pre-fault, bottom knurling motor, and here is the sensor. Here is sensor detect cup drop. If cup drop on the knurling, and here is sensor detect cup not drop to the curling plate. Here drop the cup to the curling, transfer the cups to the curling plate, sending oil, first curling motor, second curling with heater and the rejection, and this one is cup to the flow to the collector, cup collector. The cup collector is connected to the packing machine. Here is a sensor detects the cup machine sensor, the cup collector sensor counts. Cup collector counts. How many pieces. Cup collector count how many pieces and the power. Here is manual release. Here is sensor detects the cups. The machine is the packing machine about 3.4 meters long, and the wide is about 1.3 meters long. And the pipe The pipe height is about 3 meters, 2.9 meter, about 3 meters. The machine is about 3 point, including the feeding, including the capstan feeder. It's about 3.5 meters long, and the wide is about 1.6 meter. The wide is about 1.6 meter. The wide is about 1.6 meter. And the parking you can fit, the parking you can move, you can turn it, and at any place you want to put. And the sonic oil lubrication, and first another control. And here is the blower 1 and blower 2, and inside is air tank. Here is blower 1 and the blower 2. And here is the oil pump tank, and inside is the mechanical control. Oh, here's a learning wheel, bottom learning wheel for the craft learning. Bottom learning wheel. Here is the main motor, machine main motor, and here is the cap curling motor, the oil pump motor, and the cap curling motor. And here is the encoder control the machine degree, machine angle. You see the motor, main motor, cap motor. And the shaft and the tube barrel can. The tube barrel can is there. The tube barrel can is there. This is the inside part, and the gear, pin, chain. Okay. This is almost the machine start control. While the machine arrival, you need to check the bolt. For example, the bolt is any bolt loose. While machine arrival, you should check the bolt any loose. And maybe after some time usage, you should check the bolt is loose or not. And maybe the bolt, the moving parts, and here, and to tight the bolt, you need to tight. For example, inside, after some time use, inside the bolt, you should check the bolt not moving, and also this bolt, of course, is inside the parts. And also the machine top parts, check there's a lot not loose. And for example, here no loose. Okay. And check the bolt. Of course, after some time use, and while the first new machine arrival, and after maybe 50 days, 1 month, and 2 months later, and 3 months, half a year, and then you need to check. Okay, here is the almost the machine introduced, or the how to start the machine. Oh, another, this one is for manual worker by hand. If there is low electric power, and sometimes the machine is blocked, and use by hand worker run it. Here is hand worker. Okay, almost finished. While you turn off the power, you need to first turn off the heater. You need to turn off the heater. That means the temperature goes down, and then you turn off the total power. Then you turn off the total power. Because this is ceramic hot air, you do not turn off the power source. You can turn off from the machine power. And he will shut down. He will shut down how many times? And wait the finish, and then the blower will shut down, and the temperatures switch off. You see seconds, how many seconds? Shut down the blower for the hot air, and then you can turn off the power source. Or you don't need to turn off the power source, just turn off the machine power is enough.